We've got our new twin cam rocker box breathers here that bolt onto the rocker housing. Built aluminum 6061. We've got our optimized passages inside it as far as matched up for breathing to the rocker housings. No drilling required. Billet parts ready to rock and roll with Cometic gaskets. We include the 12-point ARP hardware with it. One thing that we like to do with all of our fasteners is make sure that we're using moly lube and or some sort of assembly lubricant underneath the underhead flange. And that way you're always going to get a true torque. And we're going to put a little bit of the red Loctite on the threads. And we're going to get these guys installed. Here's the assembly. Got clean gasket surfaces up top here.
Alright, we're going to torque these down to 120 inch-pounds.